Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the ADIDAS TRAE YOUNG ones. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below, we try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Let's get into it. Today we have a look at the ADIDAS TRAE YOUNG ones, and in my opinion, Trae Young is fast becoming one of the best point guards players even in the NBA today. We've got his signature shoe, it's his first ever shoe was for him. And even on the box, it's just amazing to see. You got the first edition and his little motto saying, always remember when they doubted you, Trae Young. And loads of people doubted Trae Young when he was a high draft pick. Obviously him and Luka are going to be compared to against each other. They're the new Larry Bird and Magic Johnson. So that's a whole new rivalry for them. Today we have the look at Trae Young, and we got this in the Outsole Def Atlanta colorway. We got this in the UK size 8, it's US Spence 8.5, and it's the French or the European 42. And let's get opening. Here they are. Really dope colors, fluorescent yellow, bright, beautiful. And I've seen tons of reviewers in the past. They've reviewed other colorways and they rave on about these sneakers so much. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You've got loads of patterning here. Complements the style of play that Trae Young plays, and he is an explosive point guard, driving into the lanes, always doing size up moves and pull up shooters. Loads of jab steps as well, so this kind of enforces his style of play. So you've got an all rubber outsole here. The traction patterning here at the top is an all herringbone traction patterning, and as we move along to the heel, you can see the circular movement, like radial waves, if you may, and it's to allow great stopping moves, stopping pull-ups, and jab steps, as well as a lot of moves that Trae Young himself he does on the court. Moving along onto the midsole unit, so you've got the light strike midsole here, you can see it there, and you've got boost technology at the heel. Great boost, we love boost here at Oneupreviewz, rave on about it so much. The light strike, we've seen light strike in those Regos and the street balls. Great midsoles, cushion if I may say so myself. Moving along onto the upper, so the whole upper, the majority of the upper I mean, is made out of these textile meshes. It's quite hard, it's not the softest, I wouldn't say it's the most breathable either, but it just reminds me of a lot of the textile. It reminds me of the Harden Volume 5s. And you've got bits of suede, so it's great to see here at the toe, and it's there on the lateral side where your pinky toe would be. Essentially, this sneaker is a laceless sneaker. Trae used to wear the next levels. We have done a review of those next levels, so check that out. And he seems to be comfortable with wearing laceless sneakers. I say it's technically laceless. You can obviously see two laces here. You got two eyelets at the sides. This little shroud covering the tongue. The tongue essentially is a slip-on feature. It's a sock liner, sole upper. As I mentioned, it's a mesh. And what makes it so def is the back here. So you can see the so def logo at the heel, incorporated in this suede. Why so def? Because so def is a record label founded in Atlanta, and that's where Trae plays. He plays for the Atlanta Hawks, if you guys didn't know that already. And you can also see it on the insole as well. Really dope to see. Every time I say so def, I think of Jermaine Dupri and the way he says it in the Bow Wow and the Marion video of the song even. Let Me Hold You, sorry, that's the song. So if you ever listen to Let Me Hold You, it's produced by So Def. At the pull tab at the heel, you've got Trae Young's signature, and it says here, ADIDAS Basketball Rayford Trae Young Signature Series, just to make sure that it is his first signature line. And there's a very nice detail that I like here, where you can see it from the extended outsole that goes here towards the toe guard or the mud guard area. It says always remember. And that's the way that Trae plays. He wants to be remembered on the court. Last season, when he silenced the Madison Square Garden, he did those bows similar to Reggie Miller, sorry, not Reggie Jackson. Just to silence the crowds and just to say, you know, remember who you're playing against. Always remember that I did this to your team. Great player in my opinion. So excited to try these on. Hopefully this is going to be my next go-tos when I'm on the court. Guys, if you want to see us do some performance reviews, let us know in the comment section below. We don't know. We don't get that kind of comments from you guys really, but if there's enough of you guys saying do some performance reviews, we'll look into it, and hopefully one day in the year 2022 we'll do some performance reviews for you guys here. All that said, I'm really excited to try these on. Low cut basketball sneakers I love, thanks to Kobe, rest in peace Kobe as well. And I'm really excited to try these on, so roll that footage of me trying these ADIDAS TRAE YOUNG ones on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size ADIDAS fit. When it comes to ADIDAS, I'm a UK size 8, which is European 42, and that's where it's great because that's where my toes are, where they need to be. In regards to comfort, these are really comfy, guys. I feel like I've got a lot of lockdown support. Essentially, the laces are just for a look. You can wear this laceless, in my opinion. The laces aren't really necessary. I think they look really dope on in this fluorescent colorway. Big shout out to the ATL, So Def. I'm not gonna say like Jermaine Dupri does, but he does it well. Go watch some Omarion and Lil Bow Wow videos. Well, he's not Lil Bow Wow, Bow Wow videos. And yeah, that rounds it off. You're gonna see me wearing these on court. If you wanna see us do some performance reviews, let us know in the comment section below. We won't know unless you guys let us know. So please, we wanna show you our basketball skills at the end of the day. Just a PS, we're not that great at basketball. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.